I'm Ashley Schrader, and we're here with Samantha Coles to do her bike interview. All right, so tell us a little bit about your bike and the parts you have on it.
Well, I'm really lucky this year. This is the first year that I'll mostly all be riding the Supercross and Speedline series. So we'll start off with the handlebars, which are the Pro LT Supercross handlebars. ODI grips. The Sammy Cool signature brake lever and brake pads. I'm also riding the Supercross NV frame in the matte black, which looks really sexy with the pink stickers. Only 2 in the world. We have the forks, which are the Pro LT forks. Thank you, Ms. Schrader, riding the same ones. Plus we have the Supercross hubs and the Alienation rims. I'm riding the Chris Fox signature seat, so I always have them with me wherever I go. We have the Shimano clips, pedals, Speedline chain, Speedline headset, and also the Supercross Blue Streak tires. Plus the Supercross Center 2 cranks. And I think that's about it. It's a pretty sexy bike, as you can all see. It's probably not as pretty as that pink one back there, but it comes close to it.